All right, we are completing the Unit 3 vocab assignment. So let's hopefully not update that. Let's send this to Notability. We have a new note in the Unit 3 Matter folder. So right here, make sure that you have created the new folder for this unit for Unit 3 Matter. I'm going to import it. And then let's go to Notability and get it going. All right, so Unit 3 Matter, we got the vocab assignment. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose one of the 5 sections here. So you have these sections right here, 1 through 6. You're going to choose one of them. You're going to do all 5 words. I'm going to do matter as an example. And what we should do is, try to have everybody do a slightly different one. So we'll talk about that. But what you're going to do is you're going to type in the definition for each. So I'd go like text box. Let's say let's just choose one of these. Let's say I did number 4. So I'm going to circle it, and then I'm going to go in, and my first word right here is going to be physical property. Okay, my next word would be physical change. Okay, so right here I'd type in physical change and so forth, right? I'd just keep going down, term 3, term 4, term 5. Each of these sections has 5 terms. So these would be the 5 I'm doing. Physical property, chemical change, reactivity, and flammability. Those would be the 5 words that I'm doing. Okay, so I'd continue to do it. And then for each one, we're going to do what I'm doing right here with matter, which is you're going to type in the definition. So I'd do a text box here for physical property. You could go a split screen, which would maybe be a good way to do this. Split screen here with Schoology open. And I could have the Quizlet. Sorry, for some reason not going back. There we go. I could have the Quizlet open here. All right, apparently it's going full screen. Okay, there we go. So then I just have my terms here. I could even,
2 or more add-ins.
I believe, copy and paste here. But either way, I could have that split screen with my Notability app right here, and then I'd be able to find physical property on here. There's pure substance, so I'd keep scrolling down until I find it. All right, physical property, there we go. And then I'd type that in. And then visual, what you have to do here is you have to draw a picture of some kind. So if I read the matter definition, I have 2 things. It has mass and it takes up space. So maybe what I could draw is in the, you have like a balance, right? So you have maybe one side here that's a little bit lower than another side. Oops, don't want to do that. It's a little bit lower than another side, right? It's just kind of on like a little piece here. It has mass, and it takes up, maybe I draw like a 3-dimensional cube here, and it takes up space. Mass plus space, okay, is equal to matter. It's just a little, as an example here, and like this would be volume, length times width, times height, which, let's do it this way. Length times width times height would be volume, right? So this is mass and this is volume. And maybe you don't have to do all of that, but the idea is kind of still the same, or I get a little picture. Physical property, there's lots of examples of physical properties in your notes. And so what you could do is all of that. Okay, regardless, if you're a little bit stuck, know that you do have a picture here for each of these to maybe give an idea, although I'd prefer if you didn't actually copy the exact picture, right? Something like that. You should come up with something on your own. So you're doing that for all 5 of your terms, and then just as before, you're going to upload it to other apps here. Share note to Schoology, and then we're going to upload it to the Unit 3 vocab assignment, right? Submit to assignments, And since I'm not a student, it wouldn't be in here. But then and this is something that we're struggling with a little bit, is right here, the name of it's called the Unit 3 Vocab assignment, visualize it. So in my list of assignments here, I'd be looking for the exact same words. It's not going to be any different. Okay, and then when you're done with that, you can just go back to our Schoology course and review the Quizlet for our quiz next week. All right, guys, love you, appreciate you. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.